Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming two essentials. The iPhone is updated to iOS 17 or later, and it's connected to power. Once done, open Settings, tap Display and Brightness, then Standby. You'll choose whether Standby engages automatically when charging or only when manually activated. This step matters because Standby needs power and system support. Otherwise, it won't appear. Make the selection now so the phone knows when to switch screens and present the full standby experience. You now tailor what appears in Standby. Go back to Standby settings to pick a clock style and add widgets like Calendar, Home, or Smart Stacks. This controls glanceable info. Once configured, make sure notifications are allowed and Show on Lock screen is enabled so alerts appear without unlocking. Also, link a focus profile if you want filtered interruptions. This ensures only important alerts break through. These choices shape how useful Standby is for you during charging or when placed on a dock. You're almost done. Place the iPhone on a horizontal dock or MagSafe charger to trigger landscape standby, then lock the device. Make sure orientation lock is off so the system detects landscape and displays standby. If it doesn't engage, restart the phone, try a different cable or charger, and recheck that iOS is current and standby settings are enabled. If problems persist, toggle notifications and focus links. This often resolves conflicts that prevent standby from appearing as expected.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.